If your videos are not getting any views, it's probably your first 50 seconds. So let's fix that. Because if people don't get past your intro, they will never see your true value, your offer, or your personality. My name is Irfan and I ran 2 YouTube channels. I also have Creators Forge community with 240 YouTube creators. So I have seen firsthand what a bad intro can do to your channel. So in this video right here, on this whiteboard right here, I'm gonna show you 3 real mistakes that almost every YouTube creator makes in their YouTube videos. And I'm also gonna show you how to fix them. Cut! Now that was a scripted part of this video. I just wanted to show you how a good intro should look like and what you should pay attention on when making that YouTube intro. And now we're gonna go through step by step of this intro so I can show you what to pay attention on. So basically, this is now the script that I have just rambled in the beginning of this video. And here you have 3 parts of this intro. And this is very important because when people start watching your video, you want to convince them, you want to convince me that there is something in your video for me. You also want to convince me why I should be listening to you, and you should convince me how are we gonna get there, like what is the road that you're gonna take me to get to that solution that I'm looking from you. So the first part right here is promise. And this is the promise of your intro, of the first sentence of your intro. If your videos are not getting any views, it's probably your first 15 seconds. Let's fix that, because if people don't get past your intro, they will never see your value or your personality. So what I'm telling you right here, my promise is, if you watch this video, people will go past your intro, they will see your value and they will see your personality. So just stick with me in this video and you will check off all of these boxes. That is the promise of my video. So if you are a fitness instructor, just tell to your people something like, if you want to lose weight without doing 100 different exercises, stick to this video and I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you're a mindset coach, just tell them, if you are struggling with motivation and procrastination, watch this video because procrastination is the #1 killer of your dreams. Like right in there, you just told them, if you watch this video, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of procrastination, which is killing your dreams, all right? The step #2 is basically to give some proof of who you are and why should your audience listen to you. In my example, my name is Irfan and I have 2 YouTube channels, like a big proof. I have already 2 YouTube channels and I also run Creators Forge community with 240 YouTube creators. Now this is a huge, because I have a lot of creators, and if you are a creator, you will be like, okay, he has creators who are already talking to him and he has probably more insights about YouTube, about intro, about everything, and I should probably listen to this guy. And I have seen firsthand what a bad intro can do to your channel. So I have input from 240 creators and from my 2 YouTube channels, like I have a lot of inputs, what is a bad intro and what it can do to your channel. So this is why you should be listening to me, and this is proof. Basically, if you are a fitness instructor, just say to them, I have done this for 20 years of my life and I have done every exercise that you can imagine, so I have a lot of knowledge from this topic. If you are a mindset coach, just tell them, I have helped 100 people to break that procrastination and achieve their dreams. You see where this goes? Like, the proof is the most important part, because you want to tell to your audience why they should be listening to you. And the last step is path that our viewer is going to take in order to get to this goal. Now, this part right here is just example for this intro, because I told I'm gonna show you on this whiteboard right here. Now I'm already telling you, I'm gonna use this whiteboard to sketch some things, to show you something, 3 real mistakes almost every creator makes when starting their YouTube video. And I'm also gonna show you how to fix them. So basically, I have told you, I'm gonna draw on this whiteboard 3 mistakes. I'm gonna explain to them to you, and I'm gonna also show you how to fix them. So I have laid out for you what to expect in this video. For example, if you are a fitness coach and you are making video to help your viewers with their nutrition, you're just gonna tell them, in this video right here, I'm gonna give you 5 meal examples that will help you to have a better nutrition in your life. If you are a mindset coach and you want to help your viewers with procrastination, just tell them, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 tips of how to deal with that procrastination and how to break it forever. The bottom line is to follow these 3 steps: promise, proof, and path. And when you do it in this order, like over time, it will become more and more comfortable to you to make this. You don't even have to script it over time, but it's best if you want to hit your viewers with the right words, script these 3 parts, and the rest of the video you can just talk about the processes. You can have small notes. You even don't have to script the rest of your video, just ramble your experience, your knowledge from the things. But these are very important steps that you need to cover in your video if you want to addict your viewer in these first 15, 30, 45 seconds. It all depends on the length of these sections. Now, the best way to do it is to have only 1 sentence here, 1 sentence here, and 1 sentence here. But it's kind of sometimes impossible because you want to give as much value as possible to your viewers. So just pay attention. Promise, proof, and path. Do these 3 steps and you will hook your audience to watch the rest of your video. Now, I have done over 250 YouTube videos in my 5-year-long career on YouTube, and if you want to see what 10 brutal lessons I have learned in this time, then check out this video right here. I sure do wish some of these brutal truths someone had told me sooner, so make sure to check it out. Ciao!